Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a link in Notion using the web bookmark feature. If you've ever wanted to make your Notion pages more interactive, maybe by linking out to your favorite resources, videos, articles, or even direct downloads, this tutorial has got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add clickable bookmarks that not only look great, but make your workspace much more powerful and organized. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're looking at your Notion dashboard or page where you want to add the link. Now, to start, look for the little plus icon that appears when you hover your mouse in an empty area or below an existing block. Clicking this plus icon will open up a menu with lots of options for new content blocks. If you want a shortcut, you can simply type web bookmark on your keyboard. Notion is really smart about letting you add blocks super quickly with these handy commands. Either way, this is going to pull up the option to add a web bookmark. Now, let's talk about what a web bookmark actually does. Instead of just having a plain hyperlink, a web bookmark in Notion gives you a nice visual preview of the link you're adding. It usually includes a thumbnail image, the site title, and sometimes a little description. This makes it really easy to scan your Notion pages and spot the resources you need without digging through a long list of plain links. It's great for keeping things looking clean and professional, like making a digital bulletin board, except much more interactive. Once you've selected Web Bookmark, you'll see a place to type in or paste your link. For example, let's say you want to add a bookmark for a YouTube video, maybe something inspiring that you want to keep handy. Just paste in youtube.com or the full link to a specific video. Make sure your link is copied beforehand so the process is super smooth. Don't worry if you need to go grab it from another tab. Notion will still be waiting for you. After pasting the link, click the Create Bookmark button. Notion will take a moment to process the link and grab a preview from the website. Sometimes, depending on the website, the preview might look a little different, but it should almost always give you something visually useful. At this point, you'll see a nice little block right on your Notion page with the website's logo, title, and image. Just like that, your workspace instantly looks more polished. If you don't see the perfect preview, don't stress. Some websites don't provide fancy thumbnails, but the link will always work. Now, here comes the most important part, clicking the bookmark. When you click on the block, Notion will automatically direct you to the website you embedded. So, in our example, clicking the YouTube bookmark pops open YouTube in a new tab or window, ready for you to watch that video or explore the channel. This is perfect for quick access. You don't need to copy and paste URLs around, and you keep everything neat and tidy right inside Notion. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make your Notion pages richer, more interactive, and tailored exactly to the resources you care about. If your bookmark didn't show up just right, try a different link or refresh the page. It's pretty forgiving. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I always love helping out with Notion tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.